Hello students, how are you? I hope you are staying safe at your home. Today we will learn a new topic, that is, let's compare numbers. Right, till now you have done place value, places, right. So now we will compare any two given numbers. With, you know, what do you mean by comparing numbers? It means to check whether one number is greater than, less than, or equal to the other given number. Means if two numbers are given to you, then you have to compare those two numbers, then they will be either greater than, less than, or equal to. Now we have three signs of comparison. Right, this is the sign of greater than, this is less than, and this is equal to. You have done in previous classes about these signs, so it's nothing new. But there is one story that I'm going to these signs. It's a very interesting story of a hungry alligator. Once upon a time, there was an alligator who was very hungry. And that hungry alligator was in a habit to eat big numbers. Okay, it used to eat only big numbers. It used to open its mouth only when it see big numbers. So, greater than and less than signs are like alligator mouths. Alligators like to eat big numbers. So the open side of the sign faces the bigger number. Now in the picture you can see there are three apples and here it is only one apple. So this hungry alligator, what will it do? Yes, it will open its mouth towards the more number of apples. So I have written here that 3 is bigger than 1, and you can see the sign of comparison, greater than sign. It is just like the alligator's mouth. So it is open only when it sees the bigger number, right? And if the numbers are equal, then this hungry alligator, it is so smart that it does not open its mouth. It keeps its mouth closed, and this is a sign of equal to, right? So when the numbers are equal, then we put the sign of equal to. Okay, tell you the how to compare any two numbers. In previous class, you have done two-digit numbers. Now, in this class, you will learn three-digit numbers. So, if you have to compare a two-digit number and a three-digit number, then how to compare it? So, it's very simple. We have to count the number of digits in each number. So now here in 42, there are only two digits, while in 546, there are three digits. So obviously, the number having more digits is always greater, right? Always greater. This number, this more digits number is always greater than the number which is having lesser number of digits. So 546 is greater than 42, and you can see the sign of alligator's mouth. It's open here. Why? Because this number is bigger or this number is smaller. If the two given number have equal number of digits, right? Abhi, you did that if the number of digits is not equal, but if the number of digits is equal, then we have to compare the digits at the hundreds place. Why the digit at 100 place? Because here we are talking about three-digit numbers. If we would have talking about a four-digit number, then we would have taken 1000 place first. Okay, so Abhi, we are taking a three-digit number. So I will see, yeah, I will compare the digit at 100 place. Now you can see here the digit at 100 place in 452 is 4, and the 100 place digit in 632 is 6, and we know that 6 is greater than 4. So this whole number, that is 632, is greater than 452. Or we can write it like this also, by putting the sign of comparison. This is the sign of greater than. Alligator's mouth, always remember alligator's mouth. So it is only open towards the bigger number, right? Now is different. Now if the digit at 100 place is same, then what to do? Then we will compare the digits at tens place. In the example, you can see here in 216 and 283, the digit at 100 place is same. So I will switch over to the next digit. I will compare the digit at tens place. Now look here, here it's 1 and here it is 8. And you know that 8 is greater than 1. So this whole number is greater than this number. Okay, so I'll write it like this. 283 is greater than 216, or 203 is greater than, sign of comparison, sign of greater than 216. Okay, now if place is same, the digit at tens place is same, then what to do? No doubt, there should be no doubt in you. It's very simple. Compare the digits at one place. We will switch over to the next place. Every time we'll switch over to the next place if the particular digit is same. Now look here, the digit at 100 place and the digit at tens place is same. So I will compare the digit at ones place. It's written here 8 and here it is 6, and we know that 8 is greater than 6. So 328 is greater than 326. Or you can say that 328 is greater than, again the sign of comparison, then 326. Now you must be wondering that in the starting I said that we will compare the numbers like which is greater than, which is less than, or which is equal to. But till now I have only used the term greater than. I haven't used the term less than. Why? Because if we are comparing two numbers and one is greater than the other number, then obviously the second number is less than the first number. It's vice versa, right? If there are two children and one child is taller and the other one is shorter, then I will say the first boy is taller, or I'll say the second boy is shorter, right? So here also I can say either that 322 is greater than 326, or 326 is less than 328. Now when I say less than, then the obviously alligator, it will be the alligator's back. The pointed part of this sign will point towards the smaller number, right? Now the digits are same, means if the digit at 100 place, tens place and ones place is same, then we put a sign of equal to. Then that hungry alligator, he is so smart that he will not open its mouth. You have read about sleeping lines. So the sign of equal to is represented by two sleeping lines, or you can say two horizontal lines, or you can say with the closed mouth of alligator. So here 210 has same digits, 100 place digit, tens place digit and ones place digit is same in both the numbers. So these two numbers are equal to. Okay, it's very simple. Now I will show you to remember some tips to remember it. You will never forget if you will keep on practicing. if you keep on recapitulating this concept, then there will be no doubt in you. Okay? Now see, while comparing two numbers, we first count the number of digits, right? We first count the number of digits if the digits are not equal. I'm talking about if the two digits in two given numbers is not equal, then the number having more digits is greater than the number having lesser number of digits, right? And if the digits are equal, then we have to compare the digits at 100 place, right? So the digit at 100 place will decide whether your whole number is greater than or less than the other number. Now second case is, if the digit at 100 place is also same, then we compare the digit at the tens place. Same way, if the digit at tens place is greater than the digit at tens place of the other number, then obviously that particular number will be greater than the other number. And the next case is, if they are also same, means if the digits at 100 place and tens place is also same, then we switch over to the next digit, that is the digit at ones place. Okay, we will compare the digit at ones place. It's very simple. You keep on switching your digits, you keep on switching your place values, and you will be able to compare any two given numbers, right? And if they are also same, means if all the three digits of a three-digit number is same, that means both the numbers are equal. I hope I am clear. No doubt, please watch my channel and like it and do subscribe it. If you have any types of doubt, then you can mail me also at doubtplate, doubtplate, doubtplate@gmail.com. Your suggestions and queries, if any, are always welcome. Thank you.